Hi friends, welcome to the replay. I have another really fun project for you today, so let's jump in. If at any time you have any questions during this live, you absolutely can type them in the comments and I will help you out. I am going to be creating this fun witch hat. Now this is another 3D object and super cool. I have a little water on my paintbrush and I'm just gonna spread that over here real quick. And then we're just gonna paint this. If you watched any part of this week, you may have seen me do a black cat very similar to this. We're gonna do this a little differently. So it's gonna have a different kind of a look. That black cat, we added some different shimmers to it, and this one's going to be very not shimmery. We're going to make this like an old witch's hat. So I'm just kind of lightly painting one coat, and I tell you what, there was a sticker on here, a tag, and it wouldn't come off. I didn't want to use Goo Gone because it leaves like an oil on the wood. So I just lightly sanded it off and that worked really well. All right, so I'm going to leave this haphazardly painted because in true Sarah fashion, we are going to distress it after it's totally dry. So I'm going to have to dry that, and I want to grab quickly my Dune chalk paste because that is going to go on. It's going to be super cool. So I'm just drying this up because I am going to need to, we're going to sand it down and wax it a bit. But I have to have it all completely dried before I can do that. So if you're new, I would love it if you would add me into the comments. I can send you a link that way, and it will be for my free group that you can join. My free group has ideas, inspiration, and insider information in there. If you love crafting like we do, or you're always looking for ideas and inspiration, check it out. That will go into your Facebook Messenger. If you're one of my friends watching on YouTube, you'll have to be over in Facebook to get the automatic message. If you're in YouTube, you can type it in. I just have to respond to your comment with the link. So it might take me a minute, a hot minute. All right, we're feeling dry. It's dry, dry, dry. If you're one of my club members, yay, and congratulations because you get a sale this month. Only club members. If you spend $100 this month in September, you're going to get a bounce back coupon in good for October, and you're going to get a 25% off coupon good for an order over $50. So, and that's a really awesome sale. Really awesome. Okay. Okay, so what I just did is I waxed it. This is just some of our surface wax that we sell. And it's really great because it is both non-odorous, like it doesn't smell at all, and it's also clear. So there's no color, no odor. And I have had to work with some really stanky stuff before. I'm just going to cover this up because we're going to do a bit of sanding, and I am going to use my palm sander for this. So plug your ears just a second. We're gonna get this kind of all wiped off. I should have sanded it before I waxed it, but y'all, sometimes I'm a little hot mess and I forget those things. But I will be honest, should have sanded it first and then waxed it, but I forgot. My brain sometimes doesn't work. I have a million things going on. If you notice that I've recorded all my videos while we are in Orlando wearing the same outfit, don't worry. Don't think anything of it. Okay, here we go. Ready to go. We're gonna put Feelin' Witchy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. 3 times the wax. There we go. Or 3 times the fuzz. I'm going to kind of set this down a little. If I stand it up, it leans over to that side. So I think I'll kind of, that looks good. Kind of have it tilted so that it works with the lean. And we're going to just chalk the words in Dune. It's like a very off-white color. You can see I'm just using my squeegee to scrape that paste into all of the silkscreen parts of your transfer, your little stencil right here. And after you have it all in there, you're just going to smooth and remove extra. You can put it back into the container, super easy, and peel and reveal. Ooh, looks so cute. All right, so I'm going to wash my transfer really quickly. Getting all of that chalk paste off of the front with my board eraser. If you do not have board erasers, I'm telling you right now, it is a game changer when it comes to cleaning things like your transfers and your reusable surfaces, honestly. All right, let's get this dried. So if you are not a club member, but you heard about the sale this month, it's not too late. You can join my club. Just type club in the comments and I'll send you the details. Check it out. There's no pressure. If you like what you see, you can sign up right there and you'll automatically be eligible to earn that 25% off kickback for October. If you checked out my Tuesday night live this week, I did a 4th project using our club transfer for this month. So check it out. If you love it, it's a really, really, really great way to enjoy chalk. Okay, let's finish our fun hat. Now, we're gonna do some really cool stuff. You know what? I should probably do it like that. And like that. And then let's throw in some of our rag ribbon. We love this stuff. I'm just gonna fold over a bunch of it, trim off that little edge, and cut these. So I've got like a bunch of this rag ribbon stuff in here and that, and then we're gonna use this to tie it up. It is a very, very, very thick, like a rope. It's not jute, like it was almost like 3 strands of jute in one. It's a very thick rope, sold in the ribbon section. at my friend Michael's place. It's really, okay. So let's get that down there. You may need, I don't know, I may need a touch of glue to keep that closed. I'm just gonna fray the edges of all this stuff, untwisting the rope, unbraiding this one. It's kind of like a fun braid here. There. So we are feeling witchy tonight. How cool is that? Really neat, huh? Just make it look old-fashioned. It's going to go great with my ghosts, my black and white ghosts, all the things that I did there. I'll have some displays around my house in different places. Some will have the colors, like my boo and my pumpkins back there, and some will be the black and white, like my ghosts and these and some of my other pumpkins. So make sure you're watching for the rest of the week, and check out our new way that you can become a designer for only $19. It's really awesome. Type team in the comments and I'll send you a link. You can jump in there and check it all out. There's a video that I kind of tell you all about it. So I think that's all for tonight. Have a really great rest of your day, you guys, and I will see you back here next time. Bye, everybody.